How to view player stats in FPL application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can view player stats in FPL application. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to open up the FPL application. Make sure that you're signed in. So once you're here, navigate to the fantasy option from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. So once you're on the fantasy tab, if you have already picked a squad, then here you have to tap on pick team. So once you are under the pick team, you will find your squad and your team players. Now tap on the player's name or image to open up their profile. So for example, I have this player right here. Once you're here, tap on open profile to view their full profile. So this is the player's profile piece. Here in the player profile screen, you could scroll or swipe to view their details. You could view their total points, you could view their price, and you could view their games by games week stats, and also you could view their ownership, upcoming fixtures, and also the ICT index. If you head over to stats, you can find their game week by game week starts. You could also see their history, you could find out their matches and all. So that's it. That's how you can view player stats in FPL application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.